Welcome to IntelliMinds. Today we're exploring how to use AI to automate daily tasks in 2025 and save hours every week. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for tech companies. It's now part of everyday life, helping us simplify routines, cut wasted time, and boost productivity. In this video, you'll discover why AI automation matters, what tasks it can handle for you, the best tools to get started, and how to use them safely. Let's begin with why automation is such a game changer in 2025. Our lives are packed with repetitive tasks, emails, scheduling, note-taking, social media updates, and even content creation. Each of these takes time, but none require your unique creativity. By using AI to automate daily tasks in 2025, you can shift your energy away from busy work and focus on high-value activities like strategy, learning, or spending time with loved ones. So what kinds of tasks can AI handle right now? Let's look at a few examples. First, email management. Tools like ChatGPT and Gmail add-ons can draft replies, summarize threads, and even auto-prioritize urgent messages. Next, scheduling. With AI-powered assistants like Motion or Google's AI Calendar, you can automatically schedule meetings around your availability, eliminating back-and-forth messages. Social media is another big one. Canva AI and tools like Predis can create captions, images, and even full post schedules. Document summaries are another lifesaver. AI tools can quickly read long reports or articles and give you a digestible version. Finally, content creation is easier than ever. Pictory AI, Flicky, and similar platforms can turn scripts into videos or blog posts into narrated clips within minutes. Now let's highlight some of the best tools for everyday automation. ChatGPT remains the most versatile, handling research, brainstorming, and text generation. Zapier AI is excellent for connecting apps and automating workflows without coding. Notion AI helps with organization, notes, and task management. Canva AI is perfect for quick design and social posts. And Grammarly AI improves your writing and communication with automated editing. The best part is that most of these tools have free plans, making them accessible to anyone looking to save time. How can you get started safely? The key is to begin small. Don't try to automate your entire life at once. Instead, pick one daily frustration, like managing your inbox, and experiment with an AI tool to solve just that problem. Once you see results, expand into other areas like scheduling or social media. Always double-check AI outputs for accuracy, especially if you're using them for professional or client-facing work. And remember, AI should be your assistant, not your replacement. It works best when you guide it with clear instructions. Looking ahead, the future of AI automation is exciting. In 2025 and beyond, we can expect smarter personal assistants that integrate across platforms, from phones to smart homes. Imagine AI not just replying to emails, but also adjusting your calendar, creating a grocery list based on your health goals, or generating a daily plan based on your energy levels. As tools evolve, AI will feel less like an app and more like a reliable partner in everyday life. So, to recap, using AI to automate daily tasks in 2025 can help you save hours every week. Start with small changes like email summaries or social post generation, then build up to more advanced workflows using tools like Zapier, Notion, or Canva AI. The earlier you adopt these habits, the more productive and stress-free your days will feel. Which daily task do you want AI to handle for you first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from saving time. For more everyday AI hacks, tips, and reviews, visit IntelliMinds.tech, where we help you use AI to simplify life and work smarter. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not provide financial, business, or medical advice. Always review AI outputs carefully before applying them in professional or personal settings.